Streptomycin. Let's start first with its natural source and where it came from. Streptomycin and other antibiotics are produced using strains of Streptomyces griseus. Spores of this actinomycete are inoculated into a medium to establish a culture with a high mycelial biomass for introduction into an inoculum tank with subsequent use of mycelial inoculum to initiate the fermentation process in the production tank. What is streptomycin? Streptomycin is a drug that acts by interfering with the ability of a microorganism to synthesize certain vital proteins. It is bactericidal in action. It inhibits protein synthesis by combining irreversibly with a 30S subunit of the 70S ribosomes, found typically in the prokaryotes. Specifically, it binds to the S12 protein involved in the initiation of protein synthesis. What is its mechanism of action? The overall effect of streptomycin is involved in distorting the ribosome so that transition from initiation complex to chain elongating ribosome is blocked. Thus, the normal sequence of translation is disrupted. The bacteria is unable to synthesize proteins vital for its cell growth and thereby fails to survive. The drug also disrupts the cell membrane of susceptible bacteria.
Route and dosage of the drug. The most common method of administering streptomycin is by intramuscular injection, usually into one of the large muscle groups. Dosage is based on several factors, including the type of infection being treated, the patient's weight, medical condition, and response to side effects. The levels of streptomycin already in the blood are also taken into consideration. Dosage for tuberculosis. For adults, it's 1 gram or 15 milligrams per kilogram per dose, 2 to 3 months, and then followed by 1 gram to 2-3 times a week. Maximum is 1 gram per dose. For children, intramuscular 20 to 40 milligrams per kilogram per dose. Maximum is 1 gram per dose. Now, for dosage for tularemia, in adults, it's 1 to 2 grams per dose in divided doses, 7 to 14 days. Now, the advantages and disadvantages of streptomycin. The advantages of streptomycin. Streptomycin may be taken in with no food restriction. It can be used as a pesticide. It can be used also in cell culture. For the disadvantages, some common side effects of streptomycin include loss of appetite, nausea, vomiting, stomach upset, as well as redness and irritation at the injection site. More serious side effects are bleeding or bruising, muscle weakness, rapid heartbeat, reduced or increased urination, unusual levels of fatigue, chronic diarrhea, or other signs of infection such as cough or high fever.